Please notice, if both are small, lattice energy is high. If one fellow is small, one fellow is big, then the lattice is not formed. If your one leg is tall, one leg is short, can you run perfectly?
No.
If your both legs are short, if your both legs are tall equally, then you can happily run. So lattice energy becomes very less if one fellow, one ion is small, one ion is big. The small fellow can be cation, big fellow can be anion. Or sometimes the small fellow can be cation, big fellow, the big fellow can be cation, small fellow can be anion. Anyway, if one is small, one is big, its lattice energy is least, hydration energy is high. Especially the high hydration energy is caused by fellow who is small. Whenever hydration energy is greater than lattice energy, the salt dissolves. Sir, if both lattice energy and hydration energy are equal, what happens? If both are equal, salt dissolves, but the solubility is not affected by heating. Sodium chloride salt is water soluble. Its lattice energy is approximately equal to hydration energy. So it dissolves about 3600 ml. Even if you heat, there is no much difference in the solubility. So if both ions are small, if both ions have more charge, definitely lattice energy is high. It is not soluble in water. If one ion is big, one ion is small, lattice energy is less, hydration energy is more. The hydration energy became more because of the small fellow, and that is water soluble. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking at lithium fluoride, sodium fluoride, potassium fluoride, rubidium fluoride, cesium fluoride, beryllium fluoride, magnesium fluoride, calcium fluoride, strontium fluoride, barium fluoride. Notice always fluoride ion, negative ion is small. Down a group, the size of ions is what? Size of the ions is?
Increase.
Size of the ions is increasing. Yes? So now can you say which is least soluble in water in this?
Lithium fluoride.
Perfect. Now, which is most soluble in this?
Barium fluoride.
Huh?
Calcium chloride.
Barium fluoride.
Calcium.
Perfect. You got the idea?
Yes,
Yes.
Beryllium fluoride.
Rule of the game. Lattice energy solubility is least. Solubility is least if both
lattice
ions
energy.
are small or both ions are if both ions are small, lattice energy is highest. If both are big, hydration energy is so what makes soluble less? What makes salt less soluble, sir? What makes solubility least in water? Hello?
Lattice energy.
That makes solubility least if the lattice energy is highest or if the hydration energy is
Is
least. Are we very clear?
Yes.
So if somebody says something is not soluble, Very quickly you can say reason. What is the reason? Some salt is not soluble in water. Immediately you will say, okay sir, its lattice energy is highest. And
तो
you
हम
can
लोग
say
को
its
6th
hydration
चैप्टर का
energy
पढ़ाने
is.
का 4th चैप्टर का पढ़ा रहे हो?
Sir, what are you asking, sir? Somebody
बताओ
is
जी, तो
asking me.
पकाते हम
Hello?
नहीं. बाय
Hello?
बाय.
Hello? Anybody is having a doubt on what I am talking? I am talking about S block elements.
जी.
It is chapter number 10. Anybody is having doubt, sir?
No, sir.
Are we sailing together or you have any difficulty, sir?
No difficulty, sir.
If I put sand in water, is it soluble?
No, sir.
Not
No.
soluble.
If I put sugar in water, is it soluble?
Yes, soluble.
Sir.
Yes.
If I put
Yes, sir. Soluble.
if I put naphthalene marbles in water, are they soluble?
No, sir.
If I put chalk piece in water, is it soluble?
No, sir.
No, no,
So
sir.
some in the universe, you see some materials are soluble in water, some are not.
Yes, sir.
See, strange thing is you are forcing me to mute you. I don't know. I wanted to respect my students. They should control their emotion. Why should I keep their mouths shut? Anyway, it is your choice. Okay. Sir, I am talking about some materials dissolve in water, some do not. We try to understand why it is not soluble. If the force operating between ions is very strong, if they hold the fellow firmly in solid state, I say lattice energy is highest. If lattice energy is highest, it won't dissolve in water much. Whenever a salt is dissolving, water molecules surround the positive negative ions and release energy. The energy released due to dissolution is called hydration energy. If hydration energy is more, salt will dissolve. If hydration energy is least, again salt will not dissolve. Solubility is affected by two factors called lattice energy and hydration energy. If both lattice energy and hydration energy are equal, the salt will dissolve, but its solubility extent is not affected by heating. If hydration energy is slightly less, lattice energy is more, slightly, the salt still dissolves, solution becomes cool. Like when glucose is dissolved in water, its lattice energy is more, hydration energy is slightly less. So it is dissolving, solution is becoming cool. If hydration energy is very high, lattice energy is very low, salt readily dissolves, solution becomes hot. So there are cases I discussed. If lattice energy is highest, hydration energy is least, it will never dissolve. Hydration energy, lattice energy. Ayo. Lattice energy. Hello? Yes. బంగారు తల్లి నేను క్లాస్ ఉన్నానమ్మా, నేను చెప్పానమ్మా, నాకు గుర్తుకొచ్చింది. కానీ బంగారు తల్లి థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ కాలింగ్ అమ్మా. నేను వేరే నేను మీటింగ్ లో ఉన్నా. రెండోది నీ హెచ్డిఎఫ్సి అకౌంటే తెరవలేదమ్మా. బ్యాంకుకి వెళ్ళాలంటే కరోనా భయం, ఏదో గొడవ. పక్కింటి వాడికి కరోనా వచ్చింది, ఎదుటి వాడికి కరోనా వచ్చిందని ముసిరాళ్ళం కదమ్మా. అందుకు బయటికి వెళ్ళాలంటే భయం. I could not open the account, తల్లి. ఒక్కసారి allow me some time. I will try to open. I will call you later. After 2-3 days కాల్ చేయమ్మా, ఎందుకంటే నేను ఓపెన్ చేయలేదు అకౌంట్. రెండోది ఇప్పుడు నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. ఓకేనా? ఓకే అమ్మా, యూ కెన్ కాల్ మీ ఆఫ్టర్ 2 days అమ్మా. నవ్ ఐ మీన్ మీటింగ్. వెన్ ఎవర్ యూ కాల్ మీ ఆఫ్టర్ 12:30. బంగారు తల్లి. అలాగే తల్లి, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడన్నా 12 తర్వాత చేయమ్మా, అప్పుడు నా క్లాస్ అయిపోతాయి. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మా. లాటిస్ ఎనర్జీ, హైడ్రేషన్ ఎనర్జీ. If both are, if this is high, if it is least, salt is insoluble in water. If this is highest, if it is least, salt is not soluble. Are we clear about this, sir? Hello? Are you clear about this? Clear? Hello? There is a bargain. If both are equal, both are equal. Salt is soluble. Solubility, amount of salt is dissolved, not affected by heating, like table salt. Sir, if the hydration energy is slightly more than lattice energy, slightly more, solution becomes hot. If the lattice energy is slightly more, solution becomes cool. Okay, sir? Now, I have no time to talk more than this idea. Now, look here, sir. If one fellow is big, one fellow is small, lattice energy is less. Hydration energy is more, dissolves. Even it is like cation is small, anion is big. Either the case. Okay, sir? Notice small anions, fluoride ions, oxide ions. Big anions, carbonate ion, sulfate ion, peroxide ion or superoxide ions. O2 minus means superoxide. SO4 2 minus means sulfate. CO3 2 minus means carbonate. F minus means fluoride. O minus 2 means oxide. Even iodide ion is big. Okay, sir? Have you understood what are small ions? Small anions. Have you understood what are big anions? Sir, lithium ion, small. Yes. Beryllium ion, small. Cesium ion, big. Barium ion, big. Are we very clear, sir? Sir, now you tell me, try to answer this question. Which is least soluble in water? Beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, barium sulfate. Sir, which is least soluble? Which is least soluble in water? Hello? పిల్లలు వాడు పిలిచాడు కదా, పలకాలి. పాఠములు పిల్లలు ఏమంటే పిల్లల్ని ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ బేరియం సల్ఫేట్. యు ఆర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. కెన్ ఐ విష్ యూ పిల్లలకు హాయ్ చెప్తావా? హాయ్. ఓకే సార్, యూ ట్రై టు ఆన్సర్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. which is most soluble in water? Beryllium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, and D is barium hydroxide. Please notice hydroxide ion is small. You have to remember. Hydroxide ion small. Oxide ion small. Fluoride ion small. Sir, which is most soluble, sir? I am sorry, sir. You missed it. Answer is barium hydroxide. Why barium hydroxide is most soluble? Barium hydroxide is most soluble because of the rule I gave. What is the rule I gave, sir? If one ion is big and other ion is small, lattice energy is least, hydration energy is more, so it dissolves. So in the given example, the hydroxide ions are small. If one is small, one is big, that is more soluble. If both are small, it has very high lattice energy. It is water insoluble. Next question. Most stable and whatever that is most stable is least soluble in water. Least stable, least soluble. Most stable and least soluble compound. Lithium carbonate, barium carbonate, potassium carbonate, and calcium carbonate. A, B, C, D. Which is most stable and also least soluble? Answer is B. Those who have seen this can get 4 marks in upcoming IIT exam forever. This is a very important concept. To the extent, I will revise it once again. Sir, both ions are small means lattice energy is high. So it is not soluble in water. If both ions are big means its hydration energy is least. Again, it is not soluble in water. Either both must be small or both must be big. When I am talking about carbonate sulfate both are big anions. So if the cation is also big, like barium ion, like cesium ion, then the hydration energy is least, that will be insoluble in water. If one fellow is big, one fellow is small, lattice energy is less, and hydration energy of the small fellow will be always more, hence it dissolves in water. So that is the important concept. Now we have very less time, sir. Now we are looking at screen. Sir, Abba. Sir, can you see my screen, sir? All of you, can you see my screen? I am sharing. So, sir, this lesson we are going from bottom to top now. We are coming from last. Sir, we are coming from last. We have to complete this chapter by tomorrow. There is no shortcut. Sir, look at the 10.32. Which one of the alkaline earth metal carbonate is thermally most stable? Thermally most stable, least water soluble. Answer is barium carbonate. Down a group, if the cation and anion both are big, it will be thermally stable and it is least soluble in water. This is true for carbonates, sulfates, and superoxides. Answer to 10.32, donkey. Which one of the following alkali metal gives hydrated salt? Generally, alkali metals don't make hydrated salts. Only lithium makes LiCl2H2O. By absorbing water, it behaves similar to magnesium chloride due to diagonal relationship. So lithium chloride gives hydrated salt. 10.30. Which of the following alkali metal is having least melting point? Down a group, melting points decrease. Therefore, cesium has least melting point. 29. How would you explain BaO is almost insoluble? In BeO, both beryllium and oxide ions are small. Their lattice energy is very high, so this is almost insoluble. Beryllium sulfate. Cation beryllium ion is very small. Sulfate ion is very big. One ion is small, one ion is big, means lattice energy is less, but hydration energy of beryllium ion is more, hence it is soluble in water. Similarly, BaO is soluble in water. Reason, barium ion is very big, oxide ion is very small. The lattice energy becomes less. The smaller oxide ion has more hydration energy. So BaO is soluble. BaSO4, both cation and anion are very big. Due to this, the hydration energy becomes very, very less. Hence, barium sulfate is not soluble in water. Li, lithium iodide, is soluble in ethanol because it has covalent nature. Ki, Ki is most ionic. More ionic solids are not soluble in covalent solvents like ethanol. Write the balanced equation for reaction between Na2O2 and water. You can see Na2O2 plus H2O gives 2NaOH. Sorry. H2O2 plus Na2O2 plus H2O gives H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, plus NaOH. To balance the equation, you should write Na2O2 plus 2H2O. They give 2NaOH plus H2O2. Sodium peroxide reacts with water to give hydrogen peroxide and NaOH. KO2 is potassium superoxide that reacts with water to give hydrogen peroxide and oxygen and potassium. Na2O reacts with CO2. Not only Na2O, oxides of first group metals, oxides of second group metals, they absorb CO2 and they make carbonates. So Na2O absorbs CO2 to give sodium carbonate. CaO absorbs CO2 to give CaCO3. KOH absorbs CO2 to give K2CO3. First group oxides, hydroxides. Second group oxides, hydroxides. Absorb CO2 to give carbonates of corresponding metal. Try to answer all the questions. In the net, you can easily download the answers if you try solutions to S block elements. Anyway, now available time is not permitting me to answer all the questions, but I gave some concept. Now let us quickly look at the summary of this chapter. Name of the chapter, again people are asking, S block elements. It is the 10th unit in 11th class portion. There is a regular trend in physical and chemical properties of alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium with increasing atomic number. Down a group, atomic and ionic sizes are increasing, but ionization energies are decreasing. Same trend can be observed in alkali earth metals, second group beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. The first element in each group, namely lithium and beryllium, they show similarities to the second member of the next group. Lithium resembles magnesium and beryllium resembles aluminum, called a diagonal relationship. The alkali metals are silvery white, soft and low melting. They are soft because only one electron per atom is involved in metallic bond. The second group metals are somewhat hard because 2 electrons per atom are involved in metallic bond. More electrons involved in metallic bond per atom, more hard the metal. In iron, you can see 8 electrons are involved in metallic bond per atom. Iron is very hard. These metals of first year group are highly reactive. The compounds of alkali metals are mainly ionic. Their oxides and hydroxides of 1A group metals are soluble in water. In the second group, all oxides and all hydroxides are not soluble. Down a group, the hydroxide oxide ions are small. Down a group, the solubility of oxides and hydroxides increase. Always they increase. Important compounds of sodium include Na2CO3 known as soda ash, sodium chloride. Hello? 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 Admit you. Now the time is almost over. If I am going back tell me. I have already admitted, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah, I understand. I understand. I admitted. Okay. Yes, sir. The topic under discussion. Oh my God, why we have gone there? Somebody is calling in between means that is taking time. Oh my God, we have gone to this. See, sir, how much time I have to invest? Again, I have to open the book means it is taking hell a lot of time. Sir, I am talking about S block elements, sir. The alkali metals are silvery white, soft and low melting. Alkali earth metals are somewhat hard. They are highly reactive. Alkali metals are more reactive. Alkali earth metals are less reactive. The compounds of alkali metals are mainly ionic. The alkali earth metal compounds are also ionic, but beryllium and magnesium make more covalently natured compounds. The important compounds of sodium are Na2CO3 soda ash, NaCl sodium chloride, NaOH is caustic soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. Sodium hydroxide is manufactured by Kastner-Keller process. I have shown you iron dabba, carbon rods, central bunch of steel rods, salt water, so on. The Na2CO3 is made in Solvay process, carbonating tower, ammoniating tower, ammonia recovery tower. That we discuss. The chemistry of alkaline earth metals is very much like that of alkali metals. However, some difference arises because of small atomic and ionic size of alkali earth metals when compared with Amma. All of you children, say hi to Avian once, please. Please say hi to him. Just I will open. No, you can say, wait, man, wait. All of you, please see Avian. He is my grandson. All of you, please see him once and say hi. Just wait, my dear. Just wait. Why your screen is not on? Sir, let us spend 1 minute for this small boy. Wait, don't say hi. He can't see. He will see your face on. Stupid fellows. He doesn't know anything. He is a 2 years boy. He will see you. Come on. Say hi to boys. Say hi. Yes, Avian has come. Wait, man. Wait. Avian, chadu. Wait. Yeah, can you see Avian? Hi, say hi. Hi, Anaya. Hi. Is he visible to you? Yes. Are you visible? Is he visible to you, sir? No. Why no? Avian, wait. Yes, Sarjan. Stand here. Stand here. Anna, ఎంతమంది వచ్చారు చూడు చూడు ఎంతమంది వచ్చారు. But we are able to see you. Okay. Yes. Can you see him? Oh, I don't know. There is a problem with camera. I don't know. Don't worry. He has seen you and he is going happily. He is a happy boy. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Now we are going to listen. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for the interruption. Very, very sorry. The small boy is pestering a lot. What to do? This is a lockdown problem. We can't take him outside. Therefore, he is crying a lot. He feels as if he is imprisoned. Okay. Sir, the chemistry of alkaline earth metals is very much like that of alkali metals. However, some difference arises because size of the alkali earth metal ions and atoms is smaller than alkali metals. Their oxides and hydroxides are less basic. First group oxides, hydroxides are more basic. Second group oxides, hydroxides are less basic. However, down a group, basic strength increase in both the cases. Industrially important compounds in second group are CaO. CaO is called quicklime. If you put quicklime in water, water starts boiling. When CaO is kept in water, you get CaOH twice, known as slicked lime. Sir, the CaO quicklime, if you put in Diwali cracker, brilliant white light comes. Hence, that is called a limelight. If you want to have brilliant white light in Diwali crackers, you add CaO, quicklime. CaOH twice slicked lime, it is a white paste used to make ponds. It is applied on walls to give white coloring. Calcium hydroxide is very important, sir. If you take that paste of CaOH twice, you add sand and grind in water, you get what is called mortar. Sir, mortar is a wonderful construction material, sir. With mortar only your Charminar was constructed. You know, sir, Charminar, if you stand under Charminar or if you stand in old buildings, you feel cool in summer, hot in winter.